Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic stir fry, chicken with mushrooms. Wow, just look at this plate. Juicy chicken, glossy mushrooms, and the vibrant reds and greens from the peppers. You can almost smell it through the screen. First, let's prepare our chicken. I've got a chicken breast here. Slice it open. Cut it into thick strips. Then dice it into cubes. If you prefer even juicier chicken, you can totally use the boneless chicken thighs instead. It works exactly the same way. Now let's marinate it. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Mix it really well and let it sit for a bit. Next, let's get our mushrooms ready. I'm using button mushrooms. Just trim off the stems and cut them into quarters. For veggies, chop up some red bell pepper and green bell pepper. And for aromatics, we will need some garlic cloves and chopped scallions. All our ingredients are prepped. Full list is in the description box. Let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil and blanch the mushrooms for about a minute. Take them out and set aside. Now heat some oil in the wok. Add in the chicken and stir it around until the pieces just turn white. Don't overcook it. Take it out and set aside. In the same wok, leave a little oil and toss in the mushrooms. Stir fry until they get a light golden color. Then add in the garlic and the scallions. Stir fry until fragrant. And add a teaspoon of salt. Once everything smells amazing, add the chicken back in, along with the peppers. Now let's season. 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a bit of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of MSG, and a teaspoon of sugar. Stir fry everything together on high heat so the flavors really come together. Pour in about 150 milliliters of water. Then drizzle in a little cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Finally, add a tablespoon of cooking oil for shine. Stir it up and we are ready to plate. Look at that! So glossy, so colorful. Doesn't it make you hungry already? Let me grab a bite. Oh wow, the chicken is so tender and the mushrooms are packed with flavor. And if you spoon this over rice, it's next level delicious. You have to give this a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.